Hi, welcome everyone to ZSK. I'm Britta and we will use our shoe frame today to run this little astronaut here on my skating shoe. At ZSK we have a big range of different embroidery frames for your individual embroidery projects. And like I said, we are going to use this shoe frame here, which is very rigid but also flexible. You just have to move these two screws here and then you can adjust it to the size of your design and of course to the size or design of your shoe. First thing we'll do is we attach the frame to the machine. Therefore, I move the pantograph a little forward that it's roughly in the area where this shoe frame is going to be. And then I can simply tighten these screws to the holding here. So when you open these, you can simply adjust the width to perfectly clamp the shoe. Time for the shoe now, it needs to get embroidered. Lift the feet here and then the clamps are up. Make sure you open the laces quite nicely so you got plenty of space. Make sure the bobbin is full before you start running. And then you can simply clamp the shoe here, make sure the positioning is fine. Once you're happy, you can lower the feet again. I have already loaded the design to our Sprint 7 machine here. I have auto-matched the colors of the design to the thread setup on the machine. What is left to do now is to do the tracing. Therefore, I go here to our tracing mode. And like you see, the start point is at the bottom of the astronaut. So this will help me later to position it right onto the spot where I want it on the shoe. I always suggest do the tracing with the needle up first, just to be sure, because the space is really small. And then once you're sure, you can lower the needle, hit again the green button for the tracing, but hold the finger on red just in case it's too narrow to the edge. Make a little fill underlay under your entire design first. This helps you to stitch down padded or heavy material, which has then a nice flat and stable surface for the design. If you're working on shoes that have a very strong and very structured surface, it's a good idea to put water-soluble foil on top. This ensures that the fibers lay down nicely when the thread sinks into the surface. If you're working on super heavy or thicker shoes, like football shoes for example, or chunky sneakers, you want to equip your ZSK machine with the strongest springs. This gives the needles extra power to pierce through those materials. Right, I wish you lots of fun with your embroidery projects. And remember, with the right tools and a little bit of creativity, you have no limits to what you can actually embroider. If you want to get our shoe frame, check out our online shop, also all the other parts that we offer. Link is below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.